Hello guys. Before we start, have you ever wondered whether your Samsung phone is powered by Snapdragon or Exynos? Because that small detail actually makes a big difference in performance, gaming, and battery life. In this video, I'll show you the fastest and easiest way to check your Samsung processor step by step, no confusion, no technical skills needed. Open the Play Store app. This is the official app store where Android users can download new apps, install tools, and update existing applications safely. Make sure your internet connection is turned on before continuing. Once you are inside the Play Store, tap the search bar at the top of the screen and type device info or CPU info. From the search results, choose a trusted app such as Device Info HW and tap the install button. Wait a few moments for the download and installation process to finish completely. After the app has been installed, tap Open to launch it. If the app asks for permissions, allow the necessary permissions so it can read your device hardware information properly. Now, inside the app, look for the CPU, chipset, or processor section near the top menu. Tap on it to see the full processor details. If it says Qualcomm Snapdragon, then your Samsung phone uses a Snapdragon chipset. If it says Samsung Exynos, then your phone is powered by an Exynos processor. Some models may also show the exact version, such as Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 or Exynos 2200. That's it for today's video. Hope this helped you find your Samsung processor easily. See you in the next one. Take care.